Hello everyone and welcome to my next Sunday episode of Quick and Easy. And today I am trying to explain where a bus and a cable earthing truck is used in the most simplest form as possible from my side. So I'm sharing my desktop. So let us quickly understand why a earthing truck or earthing switch is used. So it is used to ground electrical circuits after VCB is off to protect maintenance person from accidental voltage. Consider this typical single line diagram. So there is an incomer which is getting powered up from a source. This incomer is feeding to this circuit breaker, and from this circuit breaker the bottom side is the cable side, and from the circuit breaker the top side is becoming live, which is the bus side. And from this bus side various sections or various outgoings are getting fed, and this outgoing is either connected to a motor or to a or to a transformer. In this, let us consider there are two different motors which is getting fed with the help of outgoing 1 and with the help of outgoing 2. So imagine a scenario where we want to do maintenance on the motor 2 side. Then we will close the circuit breaker. The circuit is now off on this side of the outgoing. Now there are two different types of earthing truck. So one is cable earthing truck and one is bus earthing truck. Now here the bus is live, the cable is dead. So we will use a cable earthing truck and will not use a bus earthing truck. And this cable earthing truck will be inserted in this outgoing, and there is an earthing switch integrated inside this cable earthing truck which will help to earth this part of the circuit. Now motor 2 side or the cable side of this outgoing 2 is safe for maintenance. Consider a scenario where someone is trying to put a bus earthing truck in this outgoing 2. Now since this bus is live, this might end up into an accident if we put a bus earthing truck accidentally into outgoing in place of cable earthing truck. The third scenario is where we are switching off the circuit breaker of the incomer. Now the cable side is live, but the bus side is dead. Now we want to do maintenance on the bus side, so therefore we will be using a bus earthing truck in this incomer and not a cable earthing truck since the cable is live. And then with the help of an integrated earthing switch which is inside this earthing truck, we can earth the bus side and the bus side will be safe for maintenance. So there are two learnings here. So learning number 1, a cable earthing truck should always be used in an outgoing and not in an incomer. And learning number 2 is that the bus earthing truck should be used in an incomer and not in an outgoing. If you see and if you understand this circuit of incomer and outgoing and how it is powering up different parts of the circuit with the help of the circuit breakers. So this is a very basic understanding of uses of cable and circuit earthing truck. Based on this basic understanding, various permutation and combination are created with the help of different types of interlocks, electrical and mechanical, and different design are available with which you can earth different section of a circuit. And another point, so there is a earthing switch which can be used in each cubicle as a replacement of earthing truck, and this can have various interlock with the circuit breaker so that this earthing switch can be used as a earthing mechanism to earth a different section where we want to do maintenance. So this was the small video of how a earthing truck and earthing switch is used in a switchboard. Hope you have understand, learn from this, and next Sunday I will be coming up with the next topic. Till then, thank you, enjoy, and have a nice Sunday.